Former Puerto Princesa Mayor Edward Hagedorn today disputed the charges of the Ombudsman for failure to truthfully disclose a statement of assets and liabilities, or SALN, from 2004 to 2012. Based on orders of Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Rosales or Morales, filing of 9 counts of perjury and 1 count each for violation of Republic Act 1319 or the Anti-Graft and Practices Act and the Code of Conduct of Ethical Standards for all government officials and employees. In a press conference, Hagedorn presented to media a copy of his SALN to show that all the facts presented in the charge sheet of the Ombudsman were listed. The resolution of the Ombudsman said that Hagedorn misrepresented the contents of his SALN from 2002 to 2010 by failing to declare his real estate properties, vehicles, and business. Hagedorn said all his SALN submitted to the Ombudsman when he was mayor of Puerto Princesa were truthfully complied with. Hagedorn stressed he has all the evidence to prove his case before the Sandigan Bayan. Yesterday, the Ombudsman filed the cases against Hagedorn before the Anti-Graft Court. The former mayor of Puerto Princesa lost in the just concluded recall election won by the incumbent Lucilo Bayron.
I'm very honest in filing all my SALNs. From the day one in public office, hindi ako nasumira. I've served our faithfully, truthfully, honestly. Wala tayong dinala sa Palawan, Puerto Princesa, kundi puro awards, puro karangalan eh. Kaya nagtataka ako ngayon, bakit, imagine, I've been filing my SALN since my incumbency as mayor, using the same format every year. The same format yan. Pero wala namang nag-question sa amin na mali yung format at mali yung aming filing. Only last year na mag-umpisa na ito mga labo-labo namin sa politika.